Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to allow everyone to send message requests in X. By enabling this feature, you can open up communication channels and connect with a broader audience. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, locate and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety. This option allows you to manage your privacy preferences and safety settings. Step 6. Within the Privacy and Safety menu, look for Account Information and tap on it. This section contains settings related to your account. Step 7. In the Account Information section, find and tap on Direct Messages. This option enables you to configure your direct messaging preferences. Step 8. Finally, locate the Allow Message Requests. From Section and select Everyone. By choosing this option, you allow message requests from anyone on the platform. Congratulations! You have successfully allowed everyone to send message requests in X, expanding your communication possibilities. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enriched by connecting with a wider community.